We're here at 4000 Allen Road in Allen Park, Michigan. We have an elevator here. Machine room is open. We'll take a look at the machine room in a bit. Nice bell lantern. Let's go to 3. Ooh, GAL. This building is kind of in sad condition. There's the bell indicator. There's the phone. Got Adam Survivor fixtures. Some kind of generic. Closest when I push the button. Very nice. Cab is falling apart. That's ripping. That's coming off the wall. All right, let's ring the bell. Non-ADA compliant. Let's go down to 1. There's the machine. There's the pump. Wow, it's all exposed. All right, let's see here if we can find the certificate. Oh, there it is. That might be it right there. Nah, it's too high. Got a drop key in there. Obviously, we're not going to touch that. This is the machine now. It's kind of a creepy building, though. Not gonna lie. Pass. Oh, that's it right there. That's serial number 15,208. And it's probably hasn't been inspected in a while, so I guess we'll send it up real quick. Let's see, don't know where the actual serial number plate is, but that's fine. We'll send this up 1-4. Appears to be relay controlled. Otis elevator apparently maintains this, or this might be an Otis in Enroll. There's the official serial number plate. There's always one like that in the machine room. Power to the cab lights. Relay control, very nice. I guess we'll bring it down real quick while we're at it. Here's the pump. Very nice. All right, that'll be it.